Hello learners, how are you? I hope all of you are well. In this particular video we are going to continue the series of trigonometry, and today we are going to study exercise 13a of R.S. Agarwal. First we will revise our formulae, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, tan square theta plus 1 is equal to sec square theta, and cot square theta plus 1 is equal to cosec square theta. Okay. Now we are going to solve question number 1. Question number 1 is, we have to prove sin square theta minus cos square theta is equal to 1 minus 2 cos square theta. Okay. So there are two ways to solve this kind of question. Either prove sin square theta minus cos square theta is equal to 1 minus 2 cos square theta, or prove 1 minus 2 cos square theta is equal to sin square theta minus cos square theta. So you can take any one of these. So we are going to take here LHS. LHS is equal to sin square theta minus cos square theta, and as we know that sin square theta will be equal to 1 minus cos square theta, so it will be 1 minus cos square theta, and again this minus cos square theta. Why? Because sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Simple. That implies it will be 1 minus cos square theta minus cos square theta will add up and become 2 cos square theta. This is our RHS, hence proved. Okay. Now question number 3. Question number 3 is 1 plus cot square theta by 1 plus cosec theta is equal to cosec theta. So we will solve it similarly. Just take LHS here, that is LHS is equal to 1 plus cot square theta by 1 plus cosec theta, and as we know that cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus 1, hence it will be 1 plus cosec square theta minus 1 divided by 1 plus cosec theta. Why? Since cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus 1. Okay. Equal to 1 plus, now it is in the form of a square minus b square because 1 is the square of 1. Hence it will be cosec theta plus 1 into cosec theta minus 1 divided by 1 plus cosec theta. Simple. Now 1 plus cosec theta and 1 plus cosec theta cancels each other, then it will be 1 plus cosec theta minus 1. Okay. 1 cancels, equal to cosec theta equal to RHS, hence proved. Easy. Now question number 5. Question number 5 is 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta is equal to sec theta plus tan theta whole square. Okay. So we are going to solve here right hand side. We can solve it by taking LHS as well by rationalizing it, but for your convenient I am going to take right hand side. Now RHS is equal to, so in this question we are trying to prove sec theta plus tan theta whole square is equal to 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta. Okay. So RHS is equal to sec theta plus tan theta whole square will be equal to, now convert these in the form of sin theta and cos theta, and sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta, so it will be 1 by cos theta, and tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta, so it will be sin theta by cos theta whole square. By taking LCM, it will be 1 plus sin theta whole square by cos square theta. Simple. Then it will be 1 plus sin theta whole square by 1 minus sin square theta. Why? Because cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Hence, it will be equal to 1 plus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin square theta will be equal to 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta, because it is in the form of a square minus b square, right? Hence, 1 plus sin theta cancels 1 plus sin theta, so it will be 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta. I think question is wrong. So, here it will be plus and here it is minus, is equal to LHS, hence proved. Simple. Now question number 7. Question number 7 is sec to the power 4 theta minus tan to the power 4 theta is equal to 1 plus 2 tan square theta. Now we are going to solve it by taking LHS of it. That imply LHS is equal to sec to the power 4 theta minus tan to the power 4 theta. Hence, we can write it as sec square theta whole square minus tan square theta whole square. Then it will be sec square theta minus tan square theta into sec square theta plus tan square theta. Now, as we know that sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So, it will be sec square theta plus tan square theta, but we have to keep only tan square theta. Hence, by putting the value of sec square theta, that is 1 plus tan square theta, it will be 1 plus tan square theta plus tan square theta is equal to 1 plus 2 tan square theta is equal to RHS, hence proved. Simple. Now question number 9. Question number 9 is cosec A minus sin A by cosec A plus sin A equal to sec square A minus tan square A by sec square A plus tan square A. Now, in this case, this is in the simplest form, so we are going to solve right hand side for your convenience. And again, I am saying that you can solve any one of these, means either left hand side or either right hand side. So, I am going to solve right hand side here. So, it will be sec square A minus tan square A by sec square A plus tan square A. Now, convert all of these in the form of sin A and cos A, and as we know that sec square A minus tan square A is equal to 1. So, it will be 1 here, and sec A is equal to 1 by cos A, so it will be 1 by cos square A, and tan A is equal to sin A by cos A, so it will be sin square A by cos square A. Simple. Hence, by taking LCM as cos square A, then cos square A will go up and it will be cos square A by 1 plus sin square A, right? Now, as we know that cos square A is equal to 1 minus sin square A, so it will be 1 minus sin square A by 1 plus sin square A. Now, divide both numerator and denominator by sin A. Hence it will be 1 minus 1 by sin A minus sin square A by sin A divided by 1 by sin A plus sin square A by sin A is equal to 1 by sin A is equal to cosec A minus sin square A by sin A will be equal to sin A divided by 1 by sin A is equal to cosec A plus sin square A by sin A is equal to sin A. Hence proved. Simple. Now question number 11. Question number 11 is tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 into tan theta plus sec theta plus 1 equals to 2 sin theta by 1 minus sin theta. So in this question the right side is much simpler, so we are going to solve left hand side. Hence LHS is equal to tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 into tan theta plus sec theta plus 1. So it will be just take this as a term, so it will be a minus b into a plus b. Hence it will be tan theta plus sec theta whole square minus 1 square. Now convert tan theta and sec theta in the form of sine and cos, because we have to find the right hand side in the form of sine. So tan theta is equal to sine theta by cos theta plus sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta whole square and then minus 1 square is equal to 1 equal to sin theta. Now by taking LCM as cos theta, then it will be sin theta plus 1 by cos theta whole square minus 1 is equal to sin theta plus 1 whole square by cos square theta and then minus 1. Now it will be sin theta plus 1 into sin theta plus 1 divided by cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta, and 1 minus sin square theta is equal to 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta, because it is in the form of a square minus b square, and then minus 1. So 1 plus sin theta and sin theta plus 1 cancels each other. Now take LCM of 1 minus sin theta, then it will be sin theta plus 1 minus 1 minus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta is equal to sin theta plus 1 minus 1 minus into minus plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta is equal to 1 cancel, sin theta plus sin theta become 2 sin theta by 1 minus sin theta. This is our RHS. Hence proved. Easy, right? Now question number 13. Question number 13 is sec theta plus tan theta divided by sec theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 plus sin theta by cos theta whole square. In this question, right hand side is looking complicated, so we are going to solve right hand side. Now right hand side is 1 plus sin theta by cos theta whole square, right? So it will be 1 by cos theta plus sin theta by cos theta whole square, means this is sec theta plus tan theta whole square Now it seems simplified. So we are going to solve left hand side. Left hand side is sec theta plus tan theta by sec theta minus tan theta. So we are going to rationalize it, then it will be sec theta plus tan theta by sec theta minus tan theta into sec theta minus tan theta, sec theta plus tan theta by sec theta plus tan theta. Yeah, this is the simple rule of rationalization. Just multiply denominator by changing the sign, right? Now hence it will be sec theta plus tan theta whole square divided by sec square theta minus tan square theta. So it will be sec theta plus tan theta whole square by sec square theta minus tan square theta, and as we know that sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1, hence it will be sec theta plus tan theta whole square, which is equal to LHS. Hence sec theta plus, which is equal to RHS not LHS, hence sec theta plus tan theta by sec theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 plus sin theta by cos theta whole square, hence proved. Easy. Now question number 15. Question number 15 is sin A by sec A plus tan A minus 1 plus cos A by cosec A plus cot A minus 1 equal to 1, and we have to prove it. So right side is simpler, right side is in the simpler form, so we are going to solve left hand side. Now LHS is equal to sin A by sec A plus tan A minus 1 plus cos A by cosec A plus cot A minus 1. So we are going to convert all of these in the form of sin and cos. Then it will be sin A by sec A can be written as 1 by cos A plus tan A will be sin A by cos A, and then minus 1 plus cos A by 1 by sin A plus cos A by sin A, and then minus 1. Hence when we take LCM as cos A, then it will be sin A by 1 plus sin A minus cos A, and cos A will go up, so it will be cos A, and then again cos A by 1 plus cos A minus sin A, right, and sin A will go up. Now here just look at it, sin A is positive and sin A here is negative, and cos A is negative and cos A is positive. So we are going to take minus common from these two, then it will be same as of this. So it will be sin A cos A by 1 plus sin A minus cos A plus sin A cos A by 1 minus sin A minus cos A. Simple. Now by taking LCM, it will be sin A cos A 1 minus sin A plus cos A, because minus sin A is here and plus cos A is here, and plus sin A cos A into 1 plus sin A minus cos A, right. divided by 1 plus, now it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, so it will be a square minus b square, right? Now by taking sin a cos a common, then it will be 1 minus sin a plus cos a plus 1 minus sin a minus cos a divided by 1 can be written as sin square a plus cos square a minus, now it is in the form of a minus b whole square, so it will be a square plus b square minus 2ab, and when there is minus sign here, so all of these term will multiply with minus, hence it will be minus sin square a minus cos square a plus 2 sin a cos a. Sin square a cancel, cos square a cancel, minus sin a plus sin a cancel, and plus cos a minus cos a cancel. So here 1 plus 1 become 2, hence it will be 2 sin a cos a by, here only 2 sin a cos a left, so 2 sin a cos a. Now they cancels each other, so it will be 1, which is our RHS, hence proved. Okay.